Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today I am going to introduce an ORT new reader, and this is the cover page of your new story book, and the name of the story is New Trainers. Repeat after me: New Trainers. New Trainers. This reader is the series of Oxford Reading Tree. Oxford Reading Tree. Oxford Reading Tree. And who is the writer of this book? Roderick Hunt and Alex Brickta. Okay, my dear students, this story is about Chip and his trainers. My dear students, do you know what are trainers? Trainers are just like joggers. Trainers are special type of shoes that are designed for specific athletic activities. Okay, dear students, do you know like having new things like clothes, shoes? Yes, I also like wearing new things. And dear students, tell me, how do you feel when you get something new? Yes, I also feel very happy. Okay, dear students, now look here, who is he? He is Kipper and he is Chip and he is friend of Chip and Kipper. And who is it? It is Floppy and they are playing football. Now open your book and look at page number 1. Okay, my dear students, now let's start story. This is the first page of this story. Now look at the picture and see who is in this picture. Who is he? He is Chip. He is dad. He is mom. Now look at the Chip. What happened in the story? What happened in the picture? Yes, Chip is looking so sad. Why Chip is looking so sad? Let's see. Look here. Chip wanted new trainers. Blend with me. Ch e p Chip. Ch e p Chip. Ch e p Chip. Chip wanted new trainers. Read aloud with me. Chip wanted new trainers. New trainers. My dear students, who wanted new trainers? Chip wanted new trainers. Yes. Dear students, why Chip wanted new trainers? Because his trainers are broken. That's why Chip wanted new trainers. Now, look at the picture, my dear students. Now, mom, dad and Chip are in a shoe shop. In a shoe shop. Why they are in a shoe shop? Because Chip wanted a new trainers. Look, what Chip is doing? He liked this pair. Now look here and start reading. He. Repeat after me. He liked this pair. He liked this pair. He liked this pair. He liked this pair. Who liked this pair? Chip liked this pair. Chip liked this pair. My dear students, do you like the pair the Chip chose? Yes, I also like the pair the Chip chosen and the salesman. Look here. Who is he? He is salesman. He is salesman. And salesman was so exhausted. Now Chip is looking so happy. Okay, dear students, now your task is you have to read aloud again and again. He liked this pair. He liked this pair. Page number 4. Okay, my dear students, now look here. Chip is looking so happy. My dear students, do you know why Chip is looking so happy? Because Chip wore the new trainers. Repeat after me. Chip. Chip. Chip wore the new trainers. Chip wore the new trainers. Chip wore the new trainers. And look here, the salesman looked very tired. Now, turn your page and look at page number 6. Page number 6. Now look at here. Chip went to play. Read with me. Ch, e, p, chip, ch, e, p, chip. Chip went to play. Chip went to play. Chip went to play on a playground. On a playground. And look, who is the playground? Biff, Kipper, and Floppy, and their friends. Now turn your page and look at page number 8. Page number 8. Now look at here. Now they are playing football, and what happened with the trainers? What happened with the trainers? Look at here. Yes, the trainers got muddy. The trainers got muddy. Okay, dear students, read with me. The trainers got muddy. The trainers got muddy. Open your book. Now look at page number 10. Page number 10. Now look at here where they are. Yes, they are all in the water. And what happened with the trainers? What happened with the trainers? The trainers got wet. The trainers got got. The trainers got. Repeat after me. The trainers got wet. Wet. The trainers got wet. Now turn your page and look at page number 12. Page number 12. Now Chip at to home with their muddy trainers, and the dad was cross, and the dad was looking angry. Now read aloud with me. Dad was cross. Dad. Dad was cross. Dad was cross. Why the dad was looking angry? Because the trainers got muddy. Now look at the next page. Now look at page number 14. Look here. What Chip is doing? Yes, Chip washed the trainers. Chip washed the trainers. Chip. Chip. Repeat after me. Chip washed the trainers. Chip washed the trainers. Now turn your page and look at page number 16. This is the last page of this reader. Now look here. What happened here? Yes, now the dad shoes got muddy. Dad shoes got muddy. And the dad is saying, oh no, oh no. Say with me, oh no. Okay, my dear students, today your task is you have to read aloud and you have to practice read aloud again and again. Thank you.